Good morning. This is a recording for Saturday, January 25th. Today, let's explore the practice of non-judgmental noting. Noting is a foundational aspect of mindfulness. Popular in mindfulness-based stress reduction and insight meditation, noting allows us to clearly observe what is happening without getting hooked into the experience. The non-judgmental noting exercise will help you practice separating your judgment of your experience from the experience itself. When you begin to untangle the two, you start training your mind to let go. With this practice, you are tuning directly into your judgments. The moment you see judgment arising, you may habitually respond by judging yourself for having the judgment. How funny is that? So remember, in those moments, it's that trickster mind at work again. One of the most useful things you can do when this happens is to laugh at yourself, smile at yourself. Don't take yourself too seriously. Just remember, the mind is a funny thing, plays tricks on us. So with that in mind, take a comfortable position and take a few moments to settle. Let your eyes close or keep them open, whatever you prefer. Using the breath, invite both awareness and relaxation into the body and mind. Breathing in, reach the spine gently upward and bring energy into the body. Breathing out, let everything go. Let the jaw go slack. Drop the shoulders away from the ears and soften the muscles of the belly. Start opening your awareness to include any sensations in the body. Note where in the body a feeling is present. You don't even need to name the feeling itself, just notice its location. Mindfully observe the feeling for a few moments, and then open yourself up to other experiences in the body. I'll be silent for a little bit to give you space to connect with your direct experience. Now invite the sense of hearing into your practice. When you hear a sound, recognize that you are hearing. If a judgment arises about the sound, recognize it, but don't try to do anything about it. Simply notice. Continue practicing with openness. Whether you are hearing, feeling something in the body, or being hooked into a thought, remain aware of your experience. Whenever a judgment is present, name it as simply judgment and leave it be. Resist the tendency to push it away. but don't engage with it further either. I'll be silent for a little while. Now settle the awareness back into the body for a few breaths. And bringing your hands to your heart, send the energy of loving kindness to yourself with gratitude for doing this practice, for your dedication, for being here. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I remember that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. As you gently let go of this practice, as always, scan your body and notice what's present for you, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to tune into your judgments. The moment you see judgment arise, notice what your habitual response to it is. Do you judge your judgments? Remember, it's okay. Can you lighten up your response? Can you take yourself a little less seriously? Can you smile at your trickster mind? As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you tomorrow.